Don't come. Oh. Now you buy
You see that, right? Okay, that's kind of funny, Okay, what I love mostly about nuer culture dance. Okay, it is kind of a sport. You know, if you dance, okay, um, you are like doing exercise at the same time. Okay, please don't forget to share. Don't forget that. I'm gonna share with you a bonus in the end of this video. Oh my god, that is so cool, right? That's so cool. Different kind of dance. They have different names. We have this thing called rhaw. We have wet. Also, we have something called duth.